It is Monday, April 27th, and here's our language arts overview. The first thing you're going to do, as usual, is read your partner play with a partner or by yourself and read it 2 or 3 times because you'll get better at reading it each time you do. Next, we are going to talk about the consonant with the LE within a syllable. So, when a word ends in a consonant plus LE, EL, or AL, the consonant and the letters LE, EL, or EL often make the last syllable in the word, as in needle, bagel, and local. So you always include that last consonant, not always, but almost always include that last consonant in a word whenever you have the ol sound at the end of the word. So you see how the D is with the LE when you divide needle. The G stays with the EL, bagel. And then this one, the consonant C, stays with the AL in local. All right, so read each word and draw a line between the syllables in each word. So I did this one for you, or they did this one for you, signal. So that consonant N stays with the ol sound in signal. Little, you have divided right there so that that consonant T stays with the LE. The same thing, table. Where do you think that's going to be divided? So there are 2 rules there. One is it has a long A sound, and so you divide after, it's an open syllable, you divide it after the long vowel sound in an open syllable. But also the other rule is that you keep the consonant with the LE. So you're going to divide it right there between te and bull. So do the rest of these on your own. They follow the same exact rule. And next, you've worked with contractions all year. A contraction is a short form of 2 words. An apostrophe takes the place of a missing letter or letters. So in do not, you take away the O right here, and you add an apostrophe for don't. A singular possessive noun has an apostrophe and the letter S to show ownership, mom's car. So that's another place that you use an apostrophe to show ownership. So you're going to read each sentence and circle the meaning of the underlined words. All right, so he doesn't know what time it is. Does not. You knew that already and they did it for you. This one I'll let you do by yourself, and this one. All right, and then adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns, and they can be used to compare nouns. Adding ER to an adjective to compare, or you do add ER to an adjective to compare 2 nouns. All right, our team is larger than their team. So you're comparing our team and their team. So you use ER. So large describes the team, like a large team, but this team is larger than that team. Underline the adjective that compares in each sentence and write it on the lines. So we see ER on this one, stronger. So there's strong describes Tim and strong describes Evan, but it says that Tim is stronger than Evan. So you underline it and then write it. Who's being compared here? Julie is faster than Adam. So fast is the adjective. ER added onto it means that they're comparing 2, Julie and Adam. So you'll underline that and write faster there. Then continue doing the rest of them yourself. It's Monday, so we're introducing our vocabulary. Here are our words for the week. Exploration. We studied plants during our exploration in the forest. Important. It is important to get a good night's sleep. Machines. Machines make it easier to cook in our kitchens. Prepare. Hitting balls helps Ben prepare for his baseball game. Over here. Repair. The plumber will repair the broken sink. Result. The tree fell over as a result of the storm. Scientific. Our scientific study helped us to learn about rocks. And teamwork. It takes teamwork to win a baseball game. On the next page, you are going to be using those words filling in using context clues, filling in the best word for each sentence. You choose a word that makes sense, and you're making sense by use of the context, like what is happening in the sentence. Lawnmowers are blanks that make it easier to cut grass. What are they? Lawnmowers are they explorations? Are they important? They are important, but they're not important that. Are machines, lawnmowers are machines that make it easier to cut grass. So I'm going to write machines there and cross off machine. She will study the honeybee in a blank way. So in an exploration way, in an important way, it could be important, right? A prepare way, a repair way, a result way, a scientific way, a teamwork way. So actually important, scientific, and teamwork, you could see that they all could work. Which one makes the most sense? If you're not sure, go on and finish and then go back, because you'll be crossing out others as you go, others that might be easier for you. Number 3, I need to blank this broken computer. So if it's broken, that's your context clue. So exploration, important, prepare. You could say, I need to prepare this computer, but not usually a broken one. A broken one makes sense with the word repair. Repair. If it's broken, you need to repair it. That's kind of the opposite, or it is the opposite. And so then fill in the rest of them, crossing them out as you go. The theme for this week is, why is teamwork important? And you can come up with some ideas for why teamwork is important and write them together. I'm going to put in 1, you can get more things done with a team, right? And there are other reasons teamwork is important. Think of those and write those in those ovals on this graphic organizer. The next thing you're going to do is read the story Dive Teams, and you'll see that those highlighted words are in our vocabulary list for this week. This will also be available on a video that will be read to you. All those important words. You can also tell that this is expository text because it has bolded words. It has pictures with captions. It has a map right here with a key to the map and a label and a caption here. More captions over here. Afterward, I want you to think about the time you've had to work with another person or as a team to get something done. What roles did each person perform? And you will start this with an introductory sentence. For instance, one day my family and I decided to clean the living room. We worked as a team. And then you could say, my grandma did this, my mom did that, my dad did this, my uncle did that. And you can just tell what role each one played. All right. Do that and have a good day. Watch for the video of teamwork too. You can read this on your own, or it can be read to you.